All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's video, I'm going to show you how to pack properly a surfboard right here. This might be a little bit overkill, but you don't want to show up to your international surf trip, doesn't matter where you're going, and your board breaking, being a big old ding in it, etc. So let me show you what I've done. Pool noodles will be your friend. If you're in a super big pinch, I mean, they're going to cost more than pool noodles. Just go to Walmart and get pool noodles. If you don't have a Walmart in your area, then go get some insulation tubing from the hardware store, and that will work as well. All right, then your next friend is going to be a very sharp razor blade so you can split the noodle straight down the middle. And what I did here is I didn't want to use packing tape on my actual surfboard. So I used 3 pool noodles from the tip, and I used a little bit of bubble wrap on the tip as well. I did a pool noodle down, a pool noodle like that, cut off a little bit for the backing, and then this is all stuff I found dumpster diving, just to be honest with you, including the packing tape. And then this might be a little overkill, but I put a couple extra pool noodles that I did have on the top, and then again, I didn't want to use any packing tape on my board and get sticky stuff all over it, so I used just some covering to be able to pack it a little bit right there. Now on the bottom, I have 3 pool noodles as well, and I pre-cut those down the center just in case I do buy another surfboard on my trip. So we have the fins off, of course. That is a requirement by the airline, and then the packing tape just goes over the pool noodles, etc. like that there. And again, I packaged the front nose a little bit more with bubble wrap and then the pool noodles over that. Just extra stuff I already had lying around the house. Now, this is an ocean board 2-board bag. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back from my trip to Morocco, my surf trip, and I'm going to tell you a really good tip about keeping the form of your noodles and your bubble wrap here in just a splitsy for repackaging your board for the transportation back home. American Airlines and their 2 other airline One World partners, I literally popped all around with this sucker. The way I packaged it up, took it in the ocean board 2-board bag. Again, I'll link that all in the description box below. Top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. They took excellent care of the board. Now, I will show you a little snippet. I did have my foam board on the top of my high performance shortboard for a little extra padding on that. But I literally went from Colorado, Chicago to Rome, Casablanca to Munich, Germany to Dublin, Dallas, Texas, Colorado. No issues, no dings. The way I packaged it up, especially with that soft top on the top of it as well. But of course, the pool noodles do definitely work as well. Now, whatever airline you are flying, I loaded my board bag up. Costco, organic food, leashes, wetsuits, because I was going to the Munich O2 Surf Town Endless Wave Pool as well. Not to mention Morocco. Morocco was warmer. Germany, the water was freezing. So I had 2 wetsuits, booties, gloves, leash, wax, changing mat. I had a ton of stuff in my board bag. Anyway, they took great care of my board. My board bag got a little scuffed up. Not that big of a deal, but no rips or tears, but did get a little dirty. It was pretty heavy, so they could have dragged it on the asphalt a little bit in between luggage carts. I'm not really sure. But now let me show you exactly how I describe putting it back in the form. So how I unpackaged it, I was very careful. I wasn't like, when I was in Waco, Texas at their surf pool, guys were getting off their flights coming to Waco Surf and just like streaming their, pool noodles or whatever they had for their packaging like all over the place. And then it's going to take them like another hour to like repackage the sucker. So what I did is I took scissors, carefully scissored out the packaging tape, and then literally just slip my board out as the packaging tape is still on the bottom, holding the form of my pool noodles completely. I just set that out of the way, and then upon repackaging it, literally slip my board and the rails down into the pool noodles, and I'm going to show you. It literally took me 2 minutes to package the thing back up. Alrighty, here's a little skinny for you here for packaging up your surfboard ready for travel after you've already packaged it. So I am now leaving the wave pool from from Morocco to Munich for the O2 Endless Wave Pool Surf Town in Munich, Germany. And so what I did is I actually just carefully used scissors that I brought with me, cut the packaging tape, literally just slipped this back one down and then pulled my board up and out of the slots of the foamy pool noodles. Now, obviously keep your packaging material in proper order. I literally just set this up like the pool noodles. It still was in one piece. So the only thing now I have to do is grab just this like right here, which I'm gonna put right there, and then the other two pool noodles on top, put packaging tape back around it that I brought with me. Bada bing, bada boom. You just literally saved like 30 minutes by keeping the form of it. So let me go ahead and flip it over and show you what it looks like on the bottom. Because I use packaging tape like this on the bottom, it literally kept the shape because of the pool noodles protecting it that way. And literally, again, the only piece I took off was this bottom piece, slipped it out, slipped it back in, and now it literally is ready to go back into the board bag in literally a few minutes instead of redoing it all over again. Super simple. Keep the shape of it, slip it out, slip it back in, and literally 2.5 minutes, we're back up and running. Again, you're going to bring packaging tape just in case. If you do get a ding in your board, you can quickly seal that up so you don't have to go rent a board, miss out on your session. If you're going on a wave pool tour, definitely I highly recommend that. Also, don't mess around with the nose of it because that's your shape you're going to slip it into right there. And again, it literally is so easy. So just a roll of packaging tape, super simple. Keep keep it in the proper form. So when I do cut this out, I'm literally going to cut it out from the same area here, slip it back out, put this same form in my board bag for traveling and for storage. And then you don't have to redo it. Just save your material. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully it has helped you pack your board properly. Description box once again below will be the ocean board bag and the luggage scale, which definitely comes in handy to prevent from overweight charges. That's all linked in the description box of this video as well as pinned comment. We'll see you on the next video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button on the way out and subscribe for more videos like this. My name's Chris and I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.